This recipe is better than butter chicken. I know you have been craving a good chicken recipe for long. So here I am with the perfect chicken recipe. It pairs great with anything, be it naan, pulao or roti or paratha. It's Chicken Dahi Lehsuni. Also, if you are new to this channel, a big warm welcome to you. I cook food, awesome foods. So if you are a sucker for good and weird recipes, subscribe to my channel. Now sit tight and enjoy. So for today's recipe, I've taken 550 grams of chicken. I'm going to marinate it with 100 grams of beaten yogurt. For this recipe, we'll be needing loads of garlic. So from this 30 grams, I'll only be using half of it for now. I'll also be adding black pepper and some salt. Mix them all together and cover it to marinate for at least an hour. The main ingredient for the marinade here is a yogurt. Unlike vinegars or other citrus-based marinades, curd helps to tenderize the chicken, resulting the meat to become so tender that it falls apart when pulled by hand. Now in a pan, I've added some butter and remember to keep the heat low. Here I'm also adding some vegetable oil so that the butter doesn't brown. The key flavors in this recipe is butter, garlic and methi. That's why I said to you this recipe is easier and tastier than butter chicken. Next goes in the rest of our garlic and now fry it till golden brown. I've also added 2 green chillies. The recording stopped in between so I couldn't see that part. Sorry for that. Anywho, when the garlic is fragrant and golden, add in the chicken. Do not add water at this point since the chicken will release water of its own. You will notice that in a bit. While the chicken boils, we'll prepare our chalk or the tadka if you can say. In a small pan, add some vegetable oil and some methi seeds to it. Heat it until the seed starts to rock and roll. Meanwhile, watch some of these. If you happen to know what they are, yes, my friend, we share the same hatred. Moving on to my spring onions. Whee! And if you have seen my previous video, you have already met Mr. Spinach. So that was the tour. This recipe also requires an elite taste of coriander, so you'll need loads of it. So chop them up and also slicing 2 green chilies. Remove the seeds if you are afraid of the heat. The flavor of the chilies is important here, not the heat part. By the way, if you want more gravy, you can add some water at this point, but if you ask me, then it tastes better this way, but that's your call. Now add some sugar to balance the flavors, a little more butter because why not, and the rest of that black pepper. Also add in the coriander and chili you chopped. কিন্তু নানের সাথে বেশি ভালো লাগবে খেতে। Serve it hot and go impress your crush. Trust me, it tastes like heaven. Try it out fast and let me know. For more such awesome recipes, subscribe to my channel. It will mean the world to me. I also love you guys, you know that. And see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.